Opening an nsave business account is simple. The full process takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Business account applications are reviewed manually by our team. Approval times can vary depending on your business type, documents, and application volume. Before you start, keep your business documents ready. You'll need your registration documents, tax ID, shareholder details, and proof of business address. Now let's go step by step. Go to nsave.com. Click Business, then open an account. Select your company's country, choose your industry, accept the terms, and continue. Next, pay the one-time $10 onboarding fee. After payment, you'll receive an onboarding link by email. Open it to continue your application. Now, fill in your business details. Add your company name, registration number, tax ID, website, and registered address. Then complete the business overview. Explain what your business does, how you'll use the account, your expected transactions, and countries you operate in. Be clear and accurate here to avoid delays. After that, upload your documents. This includes your registration certificate, proof of address, and ownership details. Make sure everything is clear and matches your application. Then add your contact details, review everything carefully, and submit. Next, add your company's owners and directors. Anyone owning 25% or more must be listed and verified. They'll receive an email to complete their identity verification. Once submitted, your application goes under review. If everything is correct, you'll be approved within a few business days. And that's it. Your nsave business account is ready to go. Earn globally, spend locally.